Hey everyone, it's Dhaval. We are on a 3.5-hour train ride from Kalaw to Inle Lake here in Burma. I'm in an old British colonial style train here with my tour group, and got about 2.5 hours to go, but I thought I'd give you guys a shot of the Burmese countryside and a shot here of this this old British colonial train here. But go ahead and take a look out here. It's just absolutely scenic and breathtaking. And there's a lot of rich farmland out here and everything. And it's just a wonderful country here. So check it out. And here's a back shot here of the car that we're in. And yeah, so we should be hitting Inle Lake here in about 2.5 hours. So just going to kind of chill out and enjoy the ride. And here are some of the passengers I'm traveling with here. Those girls are very cute. I think they're coming with us down here to Inle Lake as well. So this is Dhaval signing off here from a train en route to Inle Lake, Myanmar. See ya.